Welcome to week 12 of MA 606. This final week focuses on peer review, revision, and iterative learning, and invites you to consolidate your learning and look forward to how project-based learning will inform your future professional practice. Throughout this course, you have explored project-based learning not as a collection of activities, but as a coherent pedagogical system that integrates inquiry, assessment, collaboration, reflection, learner agency, and real-world relevance. This week is about making sense of that whole learning journey. A central focus is the role of peer review and revision in high-quality PBL. You will examine how learning is strengthened when critique, feedback, and revision are embedded intentionally into the design process. Peer review is not treated as opinion sharing, but as a structured professional practice aligned with clear criteria and shared standards of quality. Revision and iteration are framed as learning mechanisms, not corrections of failure. You will consider how applying feedback, justifying changes, and refining decisions support deeper understanding, professional judgment, and a growth-oriented mindset. This week also places strong emphasis on learning transfer. You will reflect on how the principles, design criteria, and professional reasoning developed in this course can be adapted to different learner groups, disciplines, and educational contexts. Your PBL's team design is viewed as a working model, one that can be redesigned, scaled, or recontextualized rather than treated as a fixed solution. Reflection in this final week is explicitly forward-looking. You will examine how your assumptions about projects, assessment, and learning have shifted, identify strengths you have developed as a learning designer, and consider areas for continued professional growth. Reflection is positioned as an ongoing professional habit, not the end of a task. Universal design for learning continues to guide this work, particularly in relation to inclusive feedback, equitable participation in peer review, and multiple ways of engaging with revision and reflection. During this week's lab activity, you will engage in structured peer review, apply feedback to refine your work, and document how revision improves alignment, quality, and clarity. You will also use your e-portfolio to synthesize key insights and articulate your professional stance toward project-based learning. By the end of week 12, the goal is to demonstrate your ability to use feedback productively, engage in iterative improvement, and position yourself confidently as a reflective PBL practitioner ready to apply these principles beyond the course. Take this final week as a moment of transition from guided course learning to independent professional application. I look forward to reading your reflections and seeing how you carry this learning forward.